Hi scholar, welcome to Post Scholars channel. If you are preparing for NECO exam, WAEC exam, JAMB exam, or any other college exam, then this video is for you. The title of this video is Problem Question Involving Vertically Opposite Angle and Cointerior Angle. So we have question to solve together. The question says calculate the value of y in the diagram below. Here is the diagram and we have to find the value of y. Now, one mistake most students make is they don't listen to instruction, right? If you check this instruction very well, it specifies that you find the value of y. The question didn't ask you to find the value of this angle. You're only asked to find the value of y, right? So without further ado, let's get started. Now, here's the diagram, the geometric problem. And whenever you want to solve problems like this, I do advise students to extend the lines, right? Extend the lines so that you can visually understand what's going on, so that you can introduce any concept that is favorable, right? Either alternating angle or corresponding, cointerior, any of those angles. So those type of angles are what we are going to use to solve this problem. If you check the title very well, you see that we are focusing on vertically opposite and cointerior angle. So if you don't know vertically opposite and cointerior angle, solving this question will be tedious, although you can still employ other types of angle to solve this problem, right? So what you can do is extend the lines, right? So I can insert a parallel line here. Just watch me while I do it. Good. Now this is a parallel line, right? The line is parallel to this. This line is parallel to this line, right? It simply means this line and this line and this line can never meet. Although from the question we already know that this line is parallel to this line, right? Now, having understood that this line and this line are parallel, I can form an angle here, right? An angle here and name it angle A, right? Now, to find angle A, we use the concept of what? Cointerior angle. Cointerior angle says the both angles are what? Supplementary. That is, both angles should add up to what? 180 degrees. If I have two lines like this and a transversal, cointerior angle is saying this angle and this angle must add up to 180, or this angle and this angle too must add up to 180. So that means when I add A and 136, the sum must give me 180 degrees. So let's do that. A plus 136 degree equals 180. Definitely, when you subtract 136 from both sides, we have that A is equal to 180 minus 136, and 180 minus 136 gives 44 degree, right? Now we have gotten the value of A, which is what? 44. Take note, this angle is 5y, this angle is unknown for now, while this angle is A, which is what? 44. We have gotten it. Now we have to find this. We don't know the value of this particular angle here, right? So another concept you can employ is the vertically opposite, is the alternating angle, rather the alternate angle, which is also called the Z angle. Now look at this line. This line and this line are parallel, and you can form Z from these two lines. Look at the Z like this, and like this. So if here is 3y, automatically here will also be what? 3y. So I will just write 3y here, 3y. Then same thing, this line is parallel to this line. We can form another Z. Look at the Z like this, and like this. So that's a Z. So alternate angle is saying if this angle is 3y, this angle also will be what? 3y. So I'll write 3y there, 3y. Now remember, the mission is to find the value of y. Now I know this angle as 5y, I know this angle as 3y, and I know this angle as what? 44, which is this. Then use another concept of straight line. This is a straight line. What's the sum of angle on a straight line? The sum of angle on a straight line is what? 180 degree, right? That means when you sum up this angle, and this angle, it must give you 180. So let's sum it up. So now become 5y, right, plus 3y plus 44, right? 5y plus 3y plus 44. We already know that A is 44 equals 180 degree, right? So let's simplify. 5y plus 3y gives 8y plus 44 equals 180 degree. Now we subtract 44 from both sides. When you do that, you have that 8y is equal to 180 minus 44. And when you do that, 8y equals 180 minus 44 gives 136. Yes, 136 degree. Then you divide both sides by 8 over 8 over 8. 8 cancels 8. Therefore, you have that y is equals to 136 divided by 8 gives 17, just 17. The value of y is what? 17, or you can say 17 degree, right? So that's the final answer based on the instruction we are given. The instruction asks us to find just y. But if the instruction asks us to find the unknown angles, then this angle here will be 5 times 17, which is y, and this angle here will be 3 times 17, which is y. We have come to the end of this video. I hope it is well understood. God bless you. Bye.